This morning's Education Matters. Middle school students are encouraged to show off their math skills at an upcoming competition. Jonathan Dueck from the Fresno County Office of Education is here with more on Math Counts. So I'm assuming these kids have been preparing for this competition.
Very much. These students are getting ready really soon after school begins. They want to be looking at what should be happening, not just for specific questions, but math in general, and building up their skills about what numbers can look like together, how they can compose, decompose, how they can look for patterns, and bring that all together to make sure that they're ready to be answering these questions.
And there's just going to be, I would imagine, a plethora of questions thrown at them, right?
There are. So they have, it starts off with one large round where students are competing individually on a test. And that's about a half an hour. And then we have some group tests that they take also. And then this finally culminates in a larger test that they take, like a Jeopardy style round. So
now that's going to be interesting because the public can attend, and we were saying they might not be interested in watching them take some written tests, but the Jeopardy round sounds fascinating.
Definitely. Like you said, the first part begins with this. It's not very exciting to watch students sit and take a quiet test quietly. However, when they're buzzing in, trying to answer questions, and seeing how quickly some of these students can answer the questions, that's a really shocking and exciting thing to see.
I bet, because just watching them do this, you know, in their head or so quickly, problems like this, that I don't even know what that is. I would fail miserably at Math Counts because I'm just so horrible at math, but these kids are just, they're brilliant.
They really are, and it's exciting to see that these are students who are in 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. They are answering these questions rapidly. They're taking problems that are in context, so it's not just numbers on the page. There's a word problem that they're looking through, so they've got a situation, have to work through it, and they're doing it very quickly in their head, or maybe just a few notes on a piece of paper. So to watch them work through it, to rationalize what the answer is, again, not just that they have certain facts memorized, but that they know how to process through and work through a problem is really exciting.
Absolutely incredible. So do you already have your competitors, or maybe there's some students or parents out there who are thinking my kid could be great at this? Is there still time to sign up?
There is. So our registration deadline actually ends in early January.
Okay.
So if you are a school who's interested, you can contact us at the county office, or you can just go to mathcounts.org, and that's where you actually register. So we receive the registrations from the General Math Counts people. So they'll let us know who's a part of it, and then we contact you after that and prepare you with all the specifics you can see on the screen right there, all the exciting parts and pieces that go in with this.
Yeah, it's happening February 23rd at Fresno State. Again, mathcounts.org if you're interested in signing your student up for it. All right, it's going to be a great time. Thanks so much for being here this morning.
Thank you.
And happy holidays.
Also.
We'll be right back.